Are you struggling with tired eyes or weakened eyesight? Well, coming up, I'm going to show you how yoga eye exercises can help you to improve your vision and your overall eye health. Hi, I'm Al from Yoga Gangeya.co.za, and you are at the right place if you want to heal your body and mind with yoga. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it, and you will be notified as soon as I upload any new videos. And don't forget to catch the tip of the day at the end of this video. It is not just our general health that thrives or suffers under our lifestyle choices, but so as well our eye health. A poor diet full of junk leads to nerve damage, not just over the whole body, but also within the eyes. This nerve damage prevents the brain to communicate with that certain body part. Working on improving your diet is one step in the right direction. More on a physical level, you experience muscle weakness and insufficiency in the eye area due to long hours staring at a screen, computer screen, TV screen, cell phone, and also working in bad light, artificial light, and so on. Reading in bad light strains the muscles and weakens the muscles. And what you can do there is to try and limit your screen time and see if that will help you. On a non-physical level, emotional and mental tension such as stress accelerate the aging process of the eyes. So do more yoga, relax more, and meditate. You should not practice any eye exercises if you have severe disorders of the eyes or disease. For example, cataract, retinal detachment, and many more. If you want to see an improvement in your eyes through doing eye exercises, you should do the exercises regularly, otherwise they won't have an impact. For example, you should do them in the morning and in the evening, and you should do them in a certain sequence. I will show one eye exercise in each video, and you can practice them in that sequence, video 1, video 2, and so on. And that's the sequence that will be the best for your eyes. How to prepare yourself for all your eye exercises? Very simple, very important. If you do wear glasses, remove your glasses and sit comfortably and relax. And then remember not to place any tension on the eyes, and relax the facial muscles and the neck and the shoulders. And always when you finish with your eye exercise, you should do palming. Now palming we're going to do today. I will show you in this video what is palming and how to do it. Palming relaxes your eye muscles and it stimulates the circulation of the liquid between your cornea and your lens. So it's extremely relaxing for your eyes. Let's start with palming. Sit comfortably, softly close your eyes, relax the muscles in the face, in the neck, and bring your palms together. And what we're going to do is we're going to rub the palms vigorously together to create heat between the palms. When you have enough heat in your palms, place the palms softly over the eyes. Not the fingers, but the palms. Do not squash the eyes, just place them softly over the eyes. And feel the heat of the palms soothing the eye muscles. Relax the eye muscles and observe the darkness, the soothing darkness for the eyes. You can Focus on your breathing while you do this and focusing on relaxing the eyes. When you feel there is no more heat in the palms of the hands, you inhale and exhale, bringing the hands down, keeping the eyes closed. We're going to do another round, bringing the palms together. Rub. When you feel the heat, bring it over the eyes softly. Hold. When the heat is gone, keep your eyes closed and let the hands down, and another round. Rub. Relax the shoulders and the neck and place the palms over the eyes. Feel the soothing heat. Relax the eyes. Experience the darkness. When the heat is gone, keep your eyes closed. Inhale, exhale, bring the hands down to the lap. And softly blink the eyes a few times and open the eyes. Tip of the day. Whenever you're working or reading, try to become conscious of the muscles in your face, especially around your eyes. And if you feel like you're squinting or tensing those muscles, try to consciously relax them. That will help you a lot. And if you do wear glasses, try not to wear them all the time. Only wear them when you need them. And that will help your eyes to adjust and relax more. I hope this video helped you to introduce you to eye exercises. Next time we will see video 2 for the next exercise. Thank you for watching. Ariom Tat Sat.